Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 2.2. Our first question is, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number is a question. So 1 by 2 subtracted from a number, that number we don't know. So let us assume the number is x. So let the number be x. Now I am going to subtract 1 by 2 from that number. So from this number x, I am going to subtract 1 by 2. Now this is my result. From this result, I am going to multiply the result by 1 by 2. The whole result I am going to multiply with 1 by 2. And you get 1 by 8. You get 1 by 8 means you have to write equal to 1 by 8. Now we need to solve this equation. Then we need to get the value of x. Now first the multiplication number I am going to take it into other side. It will become division actually. Now since it is a fractional number, if you take it into other side, it will become reciprocal easily we can say. So the remaining term this side, we have only x minus 1 by 2, which is equal to, here I am having 1 by 8. This multiplication, if you take it into other side, it will become reciprocal. That is 2 by 1 it will become. So this is 1 time, this is 4 times. So since it is a multiplication, numerator and denominator can be cancelled. So x minus 1 by 2 is equal to, numerator 1 ones are 1, denominator 4 ones are 4 we are having. So this is minus 1 by 2. If you take it into other side, it will become plus 1 by 2. So x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Now here we need to add these two, but here my denominators are different. So we need to take the LCM for 4 and 2. So 4 and 2 we need to take the LCM, common table 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2, again 2 table 1 1. So here our LCM value is 2 into 2, that is 4. So LCM value is 4. So the LCM value should be taken in the denominator. So here already denominator 4 is available, take this one as it is. But here this symbol should be taken as it is, but here we have only 2, but I want the LCM as 4. So to make 4, what number should multiple with the 2 you have to think. 2 2s are only will give you 4. The same 2 should be multiple with the numerator also. So 1 2s are, it will become 2. Denominator already we have written with 4. So this is 1 plus 2 is 3 by 4. So this is my x value. So they ask you to find the number is 3 by 4. That is your first problem. We'll move on to the second problem now. Our question is, the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool. So they are talking about a rectangular shape. So there is a rectangle. The perimeter is 154. Perimeter P, which is equal to 154 meter, is given. Now the length is 2 more than twice of its breadth is given. So this is my length and this is my breadth. They have talking about the length first. The length is, that means length is means equal to sign. So the length is 2 meter more than, that means 2 plus 2 more than means you have to use the addition symbol. Twice of its breadth, that means this is breadth, twice means 2 times b. So 2b you have to write. So this is a given condition. L is equal to 2 plus 2b is given condition. Perimeter of the rectangle is given as 154. So this is a rectangular shape. The perimeter formula. So the perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of the rectangle, you all know the formula, 2 into L plus B. Now that you can write it. In the place of perimeter, I can apply the value that is given in the question, that is 154. So 154 is equal to 2 into L plus B we can write. Now this is a multiplication 2, you can take it into other side, it will become division. So 154 by 2 we can write it. Here L plus B is given. In the place of L, you can write the value which is given in the question, that is 2 plus 2b. So write it 2 plus 2b in the place of L. This b will be taken as it is, that is your plus b. Now this one you can cancel. This is 1 time. This is 7 2s are 14. Remaining one again 7 2s are 14. 77. Here this is a plus 2. Taken into other side, that will become minus 2, which is equal to 2b plus 1b, that can be added. Both are like terms, that will become 3b. Here 77 minus 2 will give you 75, which is equal to 3b. So multiplication 3 you can take it into other side, that will become division. 75 by 3 is equal to b. So if we cancel 25, we are getting 25 is equal to b actually. So 75 by 3 you can divide in this way also, you can write 2 3s are 6, balance 1. Next number 5, 3 5s are 15, remainder 0. Like this also you can divide and you can write this 25. So here the perimeter is given in meter, so breadth also will be meter only. So breadth is 25 meter we have found. Now we should find the length value. So here length is already mentioned in the question is L is equal to 2 plus 2b, that is 2 more than twice of the breadth is mentioned, that I am taking as it is, that is given in the question. L is equal to 2 plus 2b is given. Now in the place of 2 it will be coming. So 2b, that is 2 into b value what you got is 25. The 25 have to take it now. So 2 plus 2 into 25 will give you 50. So 2 plus 50 will give you 52. So length is 52 meters because perimeter is mentioned in meter. Length is also will be meter and breadth also will be meters. So that's all your problem. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.